Shosho guys will come back to speak now. We're still coming live from Durban, July 2026. So, sharp. Okay. So, Sisi,
Cynthia Gumede.
okay, are you from Durban?
Yes, I'm from Durban, but originally from Duba town.
Okay, good love.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so Durban, July, I'm you represent about the outfit for no design.
I'm a model.
Okay.
I'm representing Nelly D Design. She's here actually.
Okay.
She's just walking around. Yeah.
Okay, so you sit up the stage.
Yes, I did. Oh, it was amazing. It was amazing.
Is this your first time over Durban, July?
This is my first time because I became the professional model last year when I joined Durban Fashion Fair Model Stage 2025.
Professional?
Yes.
Yo.
I'm a
So to charge you for using the analyst, to make invite you to charge for.
Yes, because I'm a professional. Yes, I do charge.
Yes. Do you have a page maybe on Facebook?
Yes, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It's Cynthia CJS CEEJAY Gumede. Cynthia CJ Gumede.
Okay, so check us now. I'm a followers on YouTube.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
now. I think I'm going pro by pro.
Nice.
I think one of the few people about the team because I think I want to the team this we understand like. Ukuthi abantu abaningi basiyabona wena ngathi umlandeleli lo country alo esingamakufuthi.
Yes, so in say it's Controlo. So you know when we are talking about country, like country music type of thing. So right now it's an outfit of country alone. So I'm sure you can see abantu bakhona bakwaZulu uyithola I think which is good and the garments are amazing, they're beautiful.
Okay. Sabonga ukuthi vele uspeaker nawe la ukuthi nase channel wa based Eastern Cape ukhulu so abantu base Eastern Cape lapha abazokubona.
Oh yeah.